Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to create a community on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to create a community on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to create a community on WhatsApp. So today I'm going to show you how to create a community on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Creating a community on WhatsApp is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing chat icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now at the top, you are seeing different options. Click on new community. Now click on get started. Enter your community name. Click on arrow at the bottom. Now your community has been created. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a community on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.